All right. Okay, so I haven't shown off the interior, so we're gonna do a little interior review. Sorry that the car is a piece of shit and dirty right now. Yesterday we cleaned it because we went on a little off-road adventure because we didn't want to pay for the tolls, and yeah, it was dirty, and then we washed it, and then it ended up raining like 10 minutes after, so now it looks like this. Anyways, now let's go look at the interior. So when you open this bad boy up, this is what it looks like. This is the interior of a Golf. You have a really ugly steering wheel, seats that are not bolted properly so they shake, you know, really cool, cringy looking stereo system. You got these crank windows that are stiff as dick, and if you come in, we got our super cool shift knob, International Series, you know. We got our 4-speed manual transmission with reverse right here. If you try to shift into first, sometimes you will go into reverse. It's just part of golfing. This is golfing. As you can see here, there's 314,000 kilometers. That's about, I don't know, 200,000 miles. You can see here we have no speedometer or tachometer, so you can't see the revolutions, so you just got to shift by ear. Right here you got the, you know, light switch to hit the headlights, and then right here is to turn on the fan for emergencies. It is an automatic fan, but yeah, you can manually turn it on. Right here we have a button. This is the NOS button, so you go really fast. Just kidding. There's literally nothing. Oops. Yeah, sorry. Just put this back.
Look at that.
Okay. We have this red alarm button to scare off the perpetrators, to know that there's an alarm, or think that there's an alarm, but there actually isn't an alarm. Then you got your emergency switch right here, and then these are just blanks. We have our radio. Doesn't work. It keeps blowing the fuse. I don't know why. We've tried to fix it. Doesn't work. Then we have our climate control right here, you know, if you wish to actually have a climate control that works, but this is a Golf and it doesn't work. You know, standard vents. All right, so here's our center console. Yeah, there's just a big gaping hole. We have, you know, to charge our phone right here. This USB plug is always on. I don't know why. Golf things. And then right here we have our abyss of a hole. This is where we keep all our Kleenex, you know, just in case the Golf gets dirty, which it gets dirty every day because Esley drops her fucking drinks and food. Anyways, also one cool thing. This is the only cool thing about the interior, I would say, is look at this. You looking down here? Boom, cup holder. Does it work? Kind of. Yep. We have no sun visors because the sun visors that we had were like really disgusting. As you can see, no dome light because they put a weird dome light and didn't want to just get the original one. I don't know why they did. I don't know. As you can see here too, we have our Duff air freshener. Smells like good. Doesn't smell like beer. Smells like, I don't know, what would you say it smells like?
Cherry icy.
Cherry, like an icy. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, obviously we have this dashboard cover because it's covering all the nasty cracks that we have. And then here's our glove box. That kind of works, but yeah, we have our drugs and lighting things. We have a little tire gauge pressure thing. We have our mirror that was on our sun visor, but we took it off because it was actually a really good mirror and you can see yourself. Like, say hi, camera movement. Yeah. So yeah, she uses this, you know, to do her makeup and stuff. Zip ties, because we always need zip ties because this is a 90s car and every 90s car needs fucking zip ties because that's, you know, what it's held by. Anyways, right here we have all our monies. Don't tell the people trying to steal our car that we have monies here because they will steal our car. Yeah, simple handbrake, you know, works, does the thing. So we'll go to the rear seats. Oh wow, didn't see you here. So yeah, I'm here in the rear seats. Gonna show you the rear. So we have our windshield. We have this thing that covers the windshield so it doesn't get hot. Our safety measure. plus our weapon of choice. Some rags, because like I said, this car is a piece of shit and it's dirty all the time because we live by Popotepetl. It's a volcano. Anyway, so we have, you know, 2 rags. Not much, just basic seats. Oh, actually, golf things. Fucking this guy. Ashtray. Yep, we have an ashtray. I don't know why they did that, but that's just part of golfing. Okay.
Belts.
No seat belts in the back, as you can see, because we're just, yeah, if you're in the back, you're gonna die. Anyways, oh, but if you want to look at the fucking seat belts that we have, yeah, literally, it's just bolted. There's no adjustment. So, yeah, this car is basically a death coffin. If you, yeah. Anyways, so now I'm gonna show you the trunk. Next to the market,
There's Goofy.
there's a cafe. So now, this is the trunk. At least this works. At least the struts work. That's really good. So, of course, in typical Mexican fashion, as you can come here and see, we have 2 big-ass rear speakers. Because why? Mexico. Does it work? No. So, yeah, this is the trunk area. I kind of just keep it there. So, yeah, this is the trunk space. Nothing special, you know, old car. Typical electrical tape everywhere. We have our 2, you know, for our wheel. If you look in here, we have just dirtiness. We have our spare tire right here. Underneath we have our Widowmaker and a tire iron. So yeah, that's kind of, this is the Golf. This is what we bought. Why? Because I wanted to golf. So yeah. Now we're gonna go. Alright, so now we're gonna go for a test drive. Yep, starts right up. It does have like a bit of a cold start issue that it'll die. All you gotta do is just give it some gas. But yeah, so obviously we gotta put safety first, which is not really any safety because these seatbelts suck. So yeah. So like I said, reverse all the way to the left and up, and now we're reversing. Oh, look at coffee. Never mind. Which way? So allegedly these Golfs, they make, I think it was like 75 horsepower or something like that. More like 50. So yeah, this thing is really slow. But you know what? It's a good car. No power steering. So steering wheel is a little heavy, but when you start getting going, when you're driving, it's easy to steer and stuff. But yeah, typically here in Mexico, you're only using first and second. Why? Because there's always fucking topes everywhere, and I really hate it. Yeah, I mean, nothing crazy. Horn works, you know. Yeah, I don't know. I would go fast, but we really wouldn't be going anywhere. But you know what? I'll do it for the YouTubes. Oh shit. Tope. See, I can't, you can't go fast. Why? Because there's a fucking tope. So? Feel that? Yeah, you didn't feel anything. Why? Because this is a YouTube video, you can't feel anything. But, yeah, this thing's super slow. And as you can see, another tope. If you want to record show the front, show us driving. Yep, this is typical Mexican fashion. As you can see, you have a combi on the left, a dog on the right, people walking in the middle of the street, and of course, a tope. Topes everywhere. This is Tope City. as I said, AC doesn't work. So yeah, nothing. Radio doesn't work. But yeah. So this is our daily driver. It actually is a good car. You know, it works.
Tope.
Oh, wipers. Ow. Jesus Christ. They work, but this is the only speed that they do. And sometimes they stop working, like that. And you just gotta like give it a little love tap and it'll work again. But yeah, that's the wipers. Shifting.
Tope.
Yep, all the time. Yep. So getting to first, I figured out if you look down here, you see this little weird thingy that sticks out? That's first. When you're in third, it's when it's farther like that. Probably like half an inch away. So that's how I kind of know if I'm in first or in third. But obviously at night you can't see anything, so you just kind of have to remember. But yeah, I don't know. I don't really have anything else to say. It's a Golf. It's actually quite nimble. It's a little fun car. Yeah, I don't know. I guess this car is perfect for Mexico, and I see why a lot of people, why there is a lot of Golfs and Volkswagens, because they're just fun little cars, little beaters. And yeah, they just go anywhere where you want. You know, you can go off-roading like we did accidentally yesterday. Would I do that again? No, because I don't want to wash this car again and then have it rain 10 minutes later. So yeah, I don't know what else to say about the car. It just drives. Oh, plans. I need to fix the shifter. I need to fix the bushings because, as you can see, it's supposed to spring back so it doesn't let you go into reverse while you're driving. But that doesn't work, so I'm waiting on parts, which I have no idea when they're gonna get here because I have no idea. Other things, I need to get a boot cover. Obviously looking at this is disgusting, and yeah, I don't know, I'm just trying to find one. Still haven't found one. Yeah, you know, just golfing. This is life. When you just golf. So yeah, that's this is how it is driving a Golf. It's fun, but sucks.